Hello hackers, pen testers and bug bounty hunters. Hope you all are doing well. This is Mohammad Badruddin back again with lab number 20, and today we are going to see cross-site scripting vulnerability, but the type of cross-site scripting is gonna be stored. So stored XSS into onclick event with angle brackets and double quotes are HTML encoded and single quotes and backslash are escaped. Now the lab description is saying this lab contains a stored cross-site scripting vulnerability in the comment functionality. To solve this lab, submit a comment that calls the alert function when the comment author name is clicked. Okay, so let's go and access the lab. I already opened up the lab here. You can see this is a blog page. Many blogs are there, so we can go any of them. Let's say we just go to view the post here, and within this post you can see we can leave the comment here, right? So let's go and we see how it works, right? And how the application is behaving in the response. So I'm just gonna say cybersec radar or whatever you wanna do here. Same like here. Okay, email, let's say email is anything cyber@sec.radar, and website, let's say HTTPS or HTTP. The best practice is HTTPS. So cyber.sec.radar. Okay, so let's just post this comment and we see what happened. Now the comment is submitted, and now if we back on the same post, so we can see here our post is rendered here. Okay, our comment is rendered here. That means whatever comment we are leaving here, this is going to be saved somewhere in the backend database server. Okay, it could be MySQL, it could be Oracle, MS SQL, but the thing is this is stored, and that's why whenever anyone come and see this post, our comment is going to be loaded. Fine. So what I want to do here, I just highlight this and I am going to inspect, and let's see where it is rendered. So in the paragraph tag we can see this cybersec radar is there. There is one more paragraph above this where we have our name. So if we expand this, you can see there is an image which is this, and then another this part where we have our name. This is inside an anchor tag, and as you can see, whatever website we put here, okay, whatever website we put here, it is inside the href. Okay, and this is the onclick event the lab is talking about. So within this onclick event, it is specifying JavaScript, and it's specifying here a variable named as track, and then it's using this tracker.track, and it's tracking the website we put here, right? And the name is here. So what happened if we try to escape, okay, these double quotes, and if we try to break out these double quotes and putting some other tags like image tag or script tag, whatever, this is not going to be work, because as you can see here that double quotes and angle brackets are HTML encoded. So whenever we put we use angle brackets and double quote, it is going to be HTML encoded. So that's not gonna work, and single quote backslash is also escaped. So this is again a problem, but we need to try a few things here. I'm going to put here another post, another comment. So comment is AAA, name, let's say my name, email is this, and website we put here. But what if I'm gonna try here something, let's say /? Fine, and after this question mark, single quote, then plus alert and plus. Okay, because you can see here this will going to break this one, okay, and the alert function will come out. Fine, and in the last there is one more single quote. So I just want to see how it works. So let's just try this one. We already discussed these in the previous labs many times. Okay, so I hope you understand this. We just need to break out the single quote here. Okay, and after that we concatenate with the arithmetic operation, okay, which is plus, and this is the function alert, and concatenate rest of the things. So let's see, post this comment. Okay, back to the same blog, and let's scroll down. Okay, so I'm going to just click on this, and as you can see here, href, you can see wherever we put single quote, it is escaped by backslash. Okay, here you can see this is the backslash, this is the backslash. It is escaping this single quote. Fine. Let's see this part inside the onclick, right? Fine. So here again you can see it is escaped. If we try to escape this backslash with adding one more backslash within our website input, so because the lab is also escaping backslash, so it will, the backslash also will be escaped, so no benefit. But what we can do here, let's try something else. Okay, one thing I pointed out here in this lab, the thing is, angle brackets and double quotes are HTML encoded. Only these two meta characters, angle brackets and double quotes, are encoded, but single quote and backslash are escaped, right? So that means if we put the single quote, it is not going to be HTML encoded. So what if we, instead of putting single quote, we put the HTML encoded form of single quote? Okay, so let's see, I'm going to search here HTML encoder, this one and this one. Okay, so let's try single quote here, and as you can see it is encoded as this one. Fine. Let's try less than, yeah, this is fine. So if I try single quote, you can see this is the encoded form of single quote. So I'm going to take this, come back here, this time again I'm going to leave a comment. Okay, name is this, email is this, and I'm going to put here, instead of single quote I'm gonna paste this, and instead of this single quote I'm going to paste that, and just post this comment, and let's see what happened. Okay, and as you can see the lab is solved, but now I want to see how that happened. Okay, back to the blog. Now we are in our blog, and this is our last comment. Okay, so because the string, because the website what we put, it is inside the onclick event, so to generate the alert we need to click the name, and as you can see the alert is popped up and lab is solved. But let's see how it appears here inside. Okay, popped up, and of course it is going to see this URL. Fine, go back. Okay, so I'm going to inspect this one. Here you can see, now you can see this time this single quote is not escaped. Why? Because input we put, okay, and we put it into the HTML encoded form of single quote. So once the request go to the server and the filtration or sanitization process see, it does not see the single quote, it see the HTML encoded form. And once the page is rendered, okay, once the page is rendered, browser itself decode this as the single quote. Okay, we bypass the sanitization process by just putting the value of single code as its HTML encoded form. Fine, so that's it for this lab. I hope you enjoyed the lab. If you find it valuable, please like, subscribe and share, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye.